Hello students, our today's program is write a program in Python to input temperature in Celsius and convert into Fahrenheit. So we have to enter temperature in Celsius and convert into Fahrenheit. The formula used for calculation is C upon 5 equal to F minus 32 divided by 9. Now I am going to make this program in Python. Open Python software. Click on option file and choose option new file. C equal to float input enter temperature in Celsius. F equal to 9 into C plus 160 divided by 5. Print the equivalent temperature in Fahrenheit scale is comma K is comma F. Now click on option file and choose option save as and save this program. Now click on option run and choose option run module. If we enter temperature 36.9, the program will print the equivalent temperature in Fahrenheit scale is 98.4. So if we enter temperature 25.5, the program will print the equivalent temperature in Fahrenheit scale is 77.9. I hope that you understand how to convert temperature from Celsius scale into Fahrenheit scale. Thank you. Have a nice day.